Hello, my name is Jens Bauer, and I'm going to talk you through the crash test setup enhancements in Oasys Primer version 20. The crash test setup tool helps you to set up various crash tests according to different regulations. The tool positions the barrier to the vehicle and creates all the surrounding boundary conditions, such as restraints, barrier or vehicle velocities, and contact definitions. You can create custom tests or modify vehicle and barrier settings to create bespoke load cases for your vehicles. These settings can be saved and reused, making it very easy for you to set up your own custom load cases that are always pre-configured and ready to go. This tool can be used to set up a single crash test relatively quickly, but it's also designed to improve the process of preparing multiple crash test models at once using the batch crash test setup. Now let me show you the improvements we've made to this year's script. Firstly, we have redesigned the occupant's head center of mass panel in the vehicle settings. The redesign allows you to define up to 3 different head positions. This means that you can save 3 dummy head positions easily within the vehicle settings XML file and reuse them later on. You can activate each head position using the tick box on the left side of the panel. If more than one head position is active, the script will automatically create up to 3 setups in one go, generating up to 3 models using the different head positions that you have defined in this panel. This can simplify your vehicle settings because you can now save up to 3 head positions in one setting, and it will speed up your setup process as you can now do all of them in one go. Moving on to the second enhancement, an update to the import include transform panel. This panel is used to create the barrier label offsets to avoid clashes between the vehicle and barrier labels. We have added the option to save and import the barrier label offset values as part of the barrier settings, so the label offset values can be saved within the barrier XML files. A new toggle button was added, which allows you to switch between auto and manual labels within the panel. If auto is selected, the values will be auto-generated by the script, just as before. But now you can choose your own manually defined offsets by selecting the manual option in the panel. To simplify your setup process, a new preference was added to skip this label offset panel completely and apply a default label offset to your barrier, where you can choose to always apply an auto or manual offsets to your label. These were the 2 big updates to the tool, but there are plenty of smaller tweaks as well. Firstly, we corrected some load case default parameters, such as barrier velocities or impact locations. You can see a list of the updated load cases on the screen. Secondly, the batch crash test setup script now reuses vehicle models if they are the same for multiple setups by copying the model rather than rereading it. This will speed up the setup process as it skips unnecessary rereads of vehicle files. Thirdly, we've done various other updates to the user interface to improve its usability. For example, we added the option to filter the list of load cases in the batch script, making it easier for you to select your required load case. This was a short summary of the changes we've made to crash test setup. Thank you.